morning to all their parents, grandparents, and any extended family member who is here today to witness the Founders Day 2024, and especially today where our youngest participants are going to be on the stage. Our 2-year-old, 3-year-olds. It's a remarkable day for us, and even more for you all who are coming here to watch these very young toddlers perform with confidence and grace for their families today. At this point of time, I want to thank you all for trusting in Shemrock and being very active partners in the learning of your children and the growth of your children. I assure you that this trust that you have bestowed upon us is definitely in the right direction. I want to share a remarkable achievement of Shemrock, which you are, as our partners and parents, will really appreciate and feel happy about it. Very, very recently, the Shemrock School has been bestowed with an award by the education world, where Shemrock has been rated first in Mohali in the field of STEAM education, second in Punjab, and fifth in India. Now, that calls for a big clap. While the award was being received, that is at Delhi, Gurgaon, so we just placing that for you. Now, what is STEAM education? This is the most upcoming aspect of education, where we at Shemrock believe that the entire thrust of learning should not be in books, but should be in experiences. So with our coordinator and along with her team, we are giving your children the experience of learning through hands-on activities. You would have found that the calendar is full of activities. Now, these activities are not a separate aspect. They are embedded in the curriculum. They are the real learning for the children. So never see them as two different entities. They are a package. They are the learning process. And Shemrock believes very firmly in experiential learning. More things are coming up for your children. But this is what we always believed in, to give our children the best in education at a very early age. And you being our partners, it was very important to share this good news with you. I'm sure we all are delighted that our children are doing well and they are in the right place. Here, I should not take up too much time because I can see you are so keen to watch your children. But few things I'd really like to mention. Yesterday we had the LKGs perform, and I must mention here that our parents stayed till the end of the program. Not a single parent left the auditorium. This calls for the spirit of a parent, not only for their own child, but to the entire group of children who are performing on the stage. I, as a mentor and as a teacher, I can feel the child's energy and enthusiasm just go down when he sees people walking out of the door. I would never be able to talk even at this age if I see people moving out. Let alone such a young child who's performing for the first time. So parents, this is what we need to give to our children. Our time. Very important. So I would expect the same from our parents today. And may I take a minute to welcome Miss Prineet Sohal, who has graced this occasion, and Ritambra Bajwa. Welcome, ma'am, and Mr. Karan Bajwa and Mr. Bajwa here today to be a part of this August gathering. Thank you. So just coming back to that, today also, I know you're very responsible parents. You will watch every child perform and you will give the same applause to every group that comes in front of you. I'll be a little harsh in saying that if anybody wants to leave during the show, they may leave now. But during the show, for the sake of our children and the sake of your children, we will not allow anybody to leave this auditorium. Do you agree with this? I'm sure you do. At the end, there's a surprise for you all. Your children will come again on the stage as a curtain call. And when those children are lined up here, after all the performances, they are not going to look for anyone else. They are going to look for you. That recognition that they have when they find you in the gathering, don't deny them that. That is their moment when they see their mom, dad, their grandparents, uncle, aunt, whoever's here. So this is the best we can give to our children. And I'm sure today's day is going to be marvelous. And with our very young compeers today, we have Arvi and we have Devarsh. Here they will lead you through the day. And wishing everybody all the best. Let's enjoy the event today. Thank you.